So pretty. Look at this. Oh, wow.
That's better. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to IKEA to check out what is new. The last time I was there was before Christmas, so hopefully there is hopefully there is some new stuff for me to show you guys. So I only have 60% battery on my phone and IKEA closes in 2 hours and 15 minutes. I know 2 hours sounds like a long time, but you know what IKEA is like. So that's enough from me. Let's get into it. The first thing that I spied with my little eye today were these woven wall decorations. I love that these come in a 3-pack with a variety of sizes with a small, a medium and a large size. These are a super easy way to add a touch of natural fibre and warmth to an area. This Lazy Sue is made of metal and has a classy white finish to it. Turntables are super practical, but they're not always very stylish, but this one is both stylish and practical, so you are getting the best of both worlds with this one. How about this bright yellow octopus? He is just so cute. I absolutely love him. I love the colour. I love his cute little eyes and his cute little suction cuppies. He is just absolutely adorable. Speaking of adorable, these little felt food toy sets are really damn cute. I just love the little pizzas and the little vegetables and oh my god, the little shopping basket set with the tiny little hot dog and the baby eggplant and the tiny baby cheese. Seriously guys, this has got me wishing I had kids to buy this for. This half-tom range is new in the kitchenware section. It's sort of got this retro look with the brown glass, and they have oil pourers, salt and pepper shakers and spice mills with the different coloured tops for salt and for pepper. I thought this black canister set was very chic and not a bad price either at only $6 each for the canisters. I love the matte black finish on these and I love the thick cork tops on these ones as well. It also comes with its own little wooden base which comes separately, but this one helps to keep things nice and tidy while also adding a touch of class as well. These oval rattan placemats are hand woven and they have quite a lot of structural integrity in that they're really quite stiff. They're not floppy at all like some of the other placemat options. These ones remind me of wicker baskets and wicker chairs, so giving me a little bit of a cottagecore vibe here. These large collapsible food protectors are a great idea for those outdoor barbecues, for Christmas, Easter or any outdoor gathering really, and they flatten all the way down to the thickness of an average placemat for super easy storage. Speaking of placemats, there is a few new options in stock at the moment. This round bamboo one with a string detail on the outside is giving me very oriental yum cha lunch vibes. I'm also loving this large square seagrass one because who doesn't love a bit of seagrass up in their business? And on the end they also have this round one which is kind of looking like a bit of a sunflower. This floor cushion is super thick and super lush. It feels like it would be very comfortable to sit on. I will admit though I am not the biggest fan of this diamond design in the gold and the silver, but it is not a bad price at all at $45. I'm loving the bold gold on this tray. It's a real statement, this one, and it is a really decent size. The gold is broken up with this sort of geometric pattern that adds a little bit of extra interest as well, which is a nice touch. I love this unique kidney bean shaped salad bowl. This bowl is also a great size. It's super deep and in my opinion just looks super classy all round. This blue and orange set of snack bowls is just so cute. I love the different mix of textures here with the high gloss on the inside and the rough texture outside. The colours are pretty full on, but definitely make a statement and they do contrast really nicely. I also really like this spotty serving plate with the pale pink underside. The design is super cute and playful and it is also a generous size to serve or display different types of food. This snack serving box has an oriental theme again, and it is part of IKEA's Chinese New Year range. It has 4 separate compartments for serving different types of snacks and a lid and a carry handle, which also makes it great for an outdoor picnic. This black metal snack stand is perfect for a casual high tea at home with a few sandwiches or pastries. I often have my parents over for afternoon tea, but we're always running out of space on the table, so this tiered stand is a great solution. I thought this little canister was so cute. I love the unique shape and the neutral colour of this one. This is perfect as a little cookie jar, or you could get a few of these and use them for tea, coffee and sugar as well. This drink pourer with the green sort of blown glass pattern on the bottom is all class. I love this little splash of colour, you could say, and I love the shape of this one as well, and it is just all in all a very elegant looking piece. This large carafe with the glass stirrer is also very bougie. It is perfect for serving up cocktails to a group or even some freshly squeezed orange juice for breakfast, and when you're not using it to serve up drinks, you could even use it as a watering can or as a vase as well. These heavily textured cushion covers are new in and available in 3 different colours. They're very plush and super soft to the touch, perfect if you want to add a bit of interest to the throw cushions in your living room or bedroom area. This pale blue and white throw blanket is part of the new Vala range. It is very soft to the touch and it has the same pattern as a few of the other items in this range, including this cushion and the gold tray that we were looking at earlier. This set of 2 hanging bamboo baskets is super cute and is also very generous in size. One hangs directly under the other one and creates a super stylish, easy way to store and organise all sorts of things around the house. You could use this one in the kitchen, laundry, bathroom, or anywhere that you need a bit of extra hanging storage. I thought these table lamps were so funky. I love that they can be arranged in 2 different ways with the small part either on the bottom or on the top. Such a fun idea. This Chinese style paper lantern is battery operated and it is super light and portable, so you can use it to instantly add a bit of ambient light to any space, either indoors or outdoors, and take it wherever you need it. This LED wall lamp is very unique. It has 5 different lighting programs to choose from, very futuristic. This light in the shape of a speech bubble has a super fun, playful design to it, and it also has a few different colour options to choose from to match any colour scheme. I thought this cute little plush rabbit light was such a brilliant idea. Combining a soft toy with a night light is seriously genius. Just press the rabbit's tummy to turn the light off and on. It's as easy as that. I love the simple design of these floor lamps in black and white. They're also only $45 each, which is an amazing price, but don't forget that you do need to buy the light bulb separately. They look amazing with this large decorative bulb. The base of these ones have a weird sort of mailbox shape to them, which is a little bit odd, but I don't completely hate it, and it does give it a nice solid base. This bamboo floor lamp has a cool mixture of natural and industrial materials with the bamboo shade and the black metal legs. The bamboo shade creates a cool pattern as the light shines through the holes against the wall as well. I was like a moth to the flame when I saw this U-shaped hanging pendant light. It is just so cool. It is so unique. I've never seen anything quite like this before. It is such a statement, and it's so like artsy and chic. Probably not the most practical for a lot of households, but it is very cool nonetheless. They have a pretty large range of new wall clocks in at the moment, and they have a few different colours and styles, also with a range of prices ranging from about $3.50, which is super cheap. So if you do need a wall clock, don't forget to check out the range at IKEA right now. These palm leaf wall decorations are handmade into the shape of fans and are an easy way to add a little boho or tropical charm to a space. These come in a set of 2 with one large and one slightly smaller one. There are a few other cool new wall decorations in IKEA right now as well. I thought this gold rabbit head was super cool. It's a little weird and I love a little weird. These black antlers are also a little weird, giving me very Donnie Darko energy right here. I love that you could use both of these to hang stuff off as well. You know, I love a decoration that has a double purpose. This round mirror with the macrame border and fringe has a slight copper hue to it, which is kind of different and very cool. This one is oh so boho, and I am just loving the look here. These white ceramic rounds are sort of like stones, very simple and very sophisticated. This huge hanging wall tapestry is a great way to quickly fill a large wall space with something other than a picture. So many cool wall decorations at IKEA right now, definitely worth a look. I thought this rattan bordered mirror was cool and kind of unique with this little shelf part at the bottom. Mirrors are another great way to decorate a wall without using a picture in a frame, and again serves double purpose, serving as decoration and also functional as a mirror. This Vindstiller range of glass candle holders have a few different colours and sizes in the range right now. The glass and the colours combined create a really cool look when they actually have a candle inside. The different range of colours and sizes make these a really great option for mixing and matching, and will work with just about any decor style. This vase with the glass ball at the bottom is very artsy-fartsy and it looks super high-end. The ball actually does help to hold the flower stems in place, as well as just looking super trendy. I might have actually shown you guys this one in another video before, but this glass watering jug slash vase is an absolute favourite of mine. I am in love with this shape, I love that it has a double function, and it is a pretty good price as well at only $25. This large vase has a great look to it, it is a decent size and it's definitely got a bit of weight behind it as well. This one is also a really good price at only $10. This gold glass vase is an absolute stunner. It is a massive vase with that very classic vase shape to it, but it has this super reflective gold. It's basically like a mirror. I love that sort of ombre effect here where it goes from gold glass into clear glass. Seriously guys, this one is so glam and it is very different to anything I've seen before. I just absolutely adore this one. We just saw the larger version of this one a moment ago. This one is the same style with that sort of traditional crystal look, but it is quite a bit smaller. This one is even more of a bargain at only $5, which I just think is an amazing price. Here you can see the size difference between the large and the small in this range. I love this set of two vases in these lovely neutral stony colours. They have an awesome unique shape to them and I am loving the tall skinny teamed up with the short fatty here. They just complement each other so nicely and are perfectly in proportion with each other. These are a statement all on their own. You don't even need any flowers for these, but they would definitely look nice with flowers as well. I am absolutely obsessed with this green stainless steel cactus watering can. It also doubles up as a vase as well if you so please, but seriously guys, how cool is this? Possibly the coolest watering can I've ever seen. I completely love it. I also really love this range of jug slash vases. I love the range of colours with these sort of neutral and earthy sort of tones. I'm really enjoying the classic farmhouse look of this jug, and of course I really love that you can use it as a jug or you can use it as a vase. You probably know by now I just love things that have more than one purpose. This little wooden block house is inspired by children's wooden building blocks and is a new addition to the decoration section. Now, Black Horse has been around a while, but this is the first time that I have seen his friend Green Horse. I thought these looked super cute together, and then I found another friend, Cork Horse, which I also haven't seen here before. Now, I have a horse, so I might be enjoying these ones a little bit more than the average person, but don't they just look all so cute hanging out together? Nay. I thought this plant stand was kind of cool. I really like that it has this metal plate inside to catch any drips from the plate when you're watering the plant inside. But I quickly realised that I was also looking at this upside down and it actually does go the other way around. But I guess it could technically be used both ways, maybe. I also like these other plant stands that are sort of in the same vein in terms of keeping in that natural rattan style. I do like the different options in terms of sizes as well, so you're sure to find something that suits your space if you like this sort of look. The largest one at the end has a removable basket, so it's a bit of a 2-for-1 here because you can use the basket and the stand together or separately. I absolutely love this style of hanging planter. I'm personally not too crash hot on the blue colour, but it does also come in a solid black and solid white as well. I didn't see either of those colours in store this time around though, but I love that you can hang a number of these one above the other and really maximise your window space. I just about shit myself when I saw this macaroni vase. Seriously guys, I think this thing is so effing cool. It's got that sort of holographic look to it with that shimmery rainbow mother of pearl type finish. Apparently it's inspired by rainbows, not macaronis. That makes a lot more sense, to be fair. But seriously guys, I'm obsessed with this. I love everything about it. You can use it as a vase or just display it on its own. It's an absolute banger either way. It's It's got a bit of weight to it as well, and they have it in a small size for $19, or they have it in the larger size as well, which will set you back $49, but let me tell you, totally worth it. These lovely lanterns are another one of the new items in this glam Moroccan sort of style Gokbala range. There is definitely a few cool new items in this range, guys, but the whole range was not on display at my local IKEA, so make sure to check out the full range online if you do like the look of these ones. This wing chair is so baller. You can use it indoors or outdoors, but I am definitely getting more of an outdoor vibe with this one. It feels a bit like a garden throne, a throne for the garden. It feels very high end. This one is a little pricey though, and will set you back $734 if you want to include the seat cushions as well. If you've only got a small balcony space but you want to get a bit of a garden going, this new plant stand could be just the thing for you. It is super cute. It's a nice compact little unit with space for 8 different plant pots up top and storage down the bottom for more plants or for gardening supplies, pots sold separately. These bar table sets are such a practical, affordable and stylish outdoor dining option. They have the smaller square bar table, which could probably fit 2 to 4 people, as well as the larger, longer one that could seat a few extra people quite comfortably. Stools are a bargain at $75 each, and both tables are a great price at $149 a pop. These are great for everyday outdoor dining and entertaining guests, and both would fit very comfortably on a small balcony or in a small patio. So guys, I finished up at IKEA for today. There was so many cool new things in there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. I actually ran out of time today to show you all of the stuff that was in there that was new, but can I ever really have time to show you all the new stuff that's in there? Probably not. But I will definitely be back here soon to show you guys what I couldn't show you today, and who doesn't love an excuse to come back to IKEA and have another nosy around. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.